Hi students, today's topic is information transfer. Basically, you get a question of information transfer into your writing skills section for 5 marks. So there are two types of information transfers. One goes as non-verbal to verbal and the next one is verbal to non-verbal. So now basically the difference between these two, when they say it's verbal to non-verbal, that means that they have given you a paragraph and you have to convert it into some tabular format or maybe into a graph or a chart, tree diagram kind of thing. And when it is a non-verbal to verbal, that means they have given you a graphical representation. It could be again the same thing, the table, a chart, a tree diagram, a flow chart, that you have to convert into your paragraph, maybe a paragraph or two. So we move towards the first one. So yes, this is your first question. Write a paragraph based on the following pie chart. So if you observe the diagram, they have given us the government expenditure into a pie chart, where on the right hand side they have given us a key which says which sector belongs to which basically what sector belongs to what type of diagram they are given. Maybe it's a horizontal line or vertical lines or dots, whatever that represents is given on the right hand side. In this question they haven't mentioned the year, so no need to mention the year, or they have not told us that this expenditure is for what year. So whatever data we get into this image, this diagram, this graphical representation, we are going to convert into a paragraph. So when you look at this diagram, you will obviously understand that we are supposed to write that 30% of the government expenditure goes for social services, or 25% is for energy, or let's consider 15% for transport. But writing this in, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 sentence would be a very small writing skill, and that wouldn't be enough and innovative and creative from your end. So we need to add a few vocabulary words, maybe 2 new vocabulary words what you can add into this. Give a good suitable nice title that suits this diagrammatic representation. So that is expected from you all. So to give a gist of all this, you will be writing a paragraph on this pie chart which will be having a suitable title, suitable nice innovative title. Okay, so I go to the next slide where we have an answer written. So this is what the title that I have given is Money Matters, because it is all related to the government expenditures related to the nation. So I've written, the given outline shows the percentage expenditure of the government on 8 distinct areas. Social services are given 30%, which is the most noteworthy measure of the considerable number of divisions. Energy comes next with 25% of the complete income, while transportation positions third with 15%. Industries take up 10% of the assets, while technology and communication comprises 8%. Rural development gets 6% of the financial limit, while economic services get 4% and agriculture gets minimal measure of 2%. So this is a very short paragraph that I have written as an introductory writing skill for you all. When you will be writing few more writing skills, I want the length to be extended at least to like 4 more lines into this paragraph. So what are we trying to explain is all the same thing that we have written. What basically is a good point of view or idea of writing a such writing skill is going to the decreasing or the increasing idea, whatever you feel comfortable with. So here we have started with the maximum amount of money or expenditures related to social services. So we started with 30% and then we concluded with the minimal measure. We can further add with this that agriculture being the most important or primary way of income in our nation, it is getting minimal measure. We can extend that to again 2 more lines. Okay, so this is the overview and this is the way you are supposed to write this information transfer which goes as non-verbal to verbal.